Are you looking for engaging art project ideas to teach color families? Color families are groupings of color that have a relationship to one another. The color family groupings are primary, secondary, tertiary, analogous, complementary, warm, and cool colors. Red, yellow, and blue, the primary crew. Primary means they come first. I try to help students understand that these colors are important because they make the other colors. For primary color art projects, have the students create tape resist art by painting inside taped areas with primary colors, then peel away the tape. Or have students create primary color pop art collages using cut paper. Orange, purple, and green, the secondary team. I inform the students the secondary means that they come second and that each of these colors are made by mixing two primary colors. Using liquid temperate paint, mix primary colors to create the secondary colors. Then paint an object such as a beach ball or an umbrella to display all the colors. Tertiary means they come third. Each of these colors are made by mixing a primary with a secondary color. There are 6 tertiary colors. An art project idea for tertiary color family is to mix paint to create the tertiary colors and then paint squares for each color. Trace shapes onto the painted squares, then cut the shapes and create a color wheel. Complementary colors are opposites on the color wheel. When teaching this color family, it's helpful to have individual color wheels with an arrow spinner. This makes it easy for young students to find opposite colors. Complementary art ideas might be painting objects on its complementary color background or creating a collage using complementary pairs. Analogous colors are colors next to each other on the color wheel. These colors have similarities to each other and they share properties. They are a collection of a primary, secondary, and tertiary color. Here are a couple of art ideas. Mix paint to create analogous colors and use cotton balls to stamp a blended background. Then add a black construction paper silhouette for a negative positive collage. Another idea is to use oil pastels to color an abstract design and blend the colors with baby oil. I teach warm and cool colors together. Red, orange, and yellow are those colors that make you think of warm things, the desert, fire, and the sun. Warm colors are lively and full of life. Green, blue, and purple are cool colors and remind us of cool things, cool water, the sky, and ice. Cool colors are calm and soothing. One art idea is to have students choose either warm or cool colors to paint. They can paint a cloudy day with cool colors or a sunset with warm colors for a background of tape-resist birch trees. The other idea is to paint a background for a cityscape at sunset, warm colors on the top half and cool on the bottom for a lakefront view. Then cut out and glue construction paper buildings and add them near the water's edge. Teaching color families doesn't have to be boring. These art projects make them stick. Which one will you try first? Thank you for watching. Please take a look at other videos on my channel for more teacher tips and ideas. In the description below, you'll also find links to my Teachers Pay Teacher store and my Pinterest platform.